Having trouble with the tile wallpaper option in Windows 11? Here are 3 easy fixes to get your wallpaper fitting perfectly again. Just right-click on your desktop and tap Personalize. Open the background box to see all the background images. Choose a default photo in this page to set it as the default background image. Now, set the Choose a Fit for your desktop image to Tile mode from the drop-down list. Open the File Explorer. You can do that using the Win plus E keys at once. Find the image there. Once you have found that, right-click the image and tap Properties. Directly go to the Details tab. Check the image dimensions here. Compressed images or images of some unsupported format cannot be set as the desktop background, or you can use the tile as the fit style. Hive files can't be opened by the Photos application without getting the Hive extension. If you want to use such images, you can convert them to JPG or JPEG. Then, you can use that as wallpaper with the tile fit. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.